what does coffee mean to you?
Coffee to me is a never ending, beautiful journey.
Καφές για μένα σημαίνει συντροφιά για μια ζωή.
Is an experience that brings people together.
Coffee might be life to some. To me, it's a livelihood.
Koffie is voor mij de brandstof voor inspiratie, creativiteit en samenwerking.
For us, coffee means more than just a daily wake-up call. It means community. We want to empower baristas and spread the love for drinking coffee around the world. We believe coffee brings people together. You probably miss the times when we used to meet up at our favorite coffee shops, share, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. It's truly a difficult moment when we're staying most of the time indoors, apart from the people we care about. We want to bring back this heartwarming feeling of fellowship. In order to materialize this invisible bond between us, we've worked with coffee lovers from around the globe and designed this brewing guide that is made by the community for the community. This brewing guide card deck is your invitation to make magic with coffee. This collaborative project brings the best brewing recipes from all around the world right into your hand. The product consists of 55 cards, 48 verified recipes shared by 48 coffee lovers, including brewing recipes from pour-over, French press, mocha pot, AeroPress, while also representing talented individuals globally with a mission to share their knowledge with every coffee lover. The design of our cards is purely simple and as minimalistic as a perfect sip of freshly brewed coffee. Our team doesn't have any extraordinary professionals, but the passion for coffee brought us together and inspired us to create this amazing product. During the last 6 months, we spent thousands of hours on this project together with student interns and volunteers from all over the world. We are proud to say that we have something that isn't offered anywhere else. When you back this project, you're joining a community bursting with coffee knowledge and empowering stories that will add even more flavor to your own coffee journey.
Hello, my name is Miki. I'm the founder of I'm Now Barista. And these 48 recipes are shared by the global coffee community for home brewers and coffee champions alike, bridging you and a talented individual around the world. So let's brew coffee together. Thank you for your support.
Humanity runs on coffee. Let's empower people behind the cup together.